Hello, what's up guys? Today we're playing Roblox. Hello guys, today we're playing Roblox. I'm Damian, and I'm gonna show you how to get how to get how to get the cough marker so I can help you. Just wait. Just wait. Just wait. Just wait. Sorry, it's always be like that, the black screen. Yeah, I already got the I'm sorry guys. If you guys want to tell me something, leave in the comments. Can do some more, but not needed. Just easy and hard. I will see how to get everything to help you. Okay, so leave in the comment. Today, if I just ignore this, I already get the cough drop. So I will help you how to find that. Right, let me help you. I'm going to help you how to find that. Let me say he'll rock 3 times like this.
You're on the right track, but you're really wrong. What do you think hill rock means? Maybe you should look at the hill and see if you could find a marker. I'd say step on the rocks. Yeah, try that. What are you trying to do? Are you trying to get a marker? Wow, tough luck. You won't find one here. Look somewhere else.
And the last one is this.
Gosh, you're resistant. Fine.
See,
Pick the marker.
and that's
SMH.
and that's what you get. So, and that's what. So that's it. If you want to get a release stick, I'll help you how to get the release stick one. If you want to ask me, it's very so easy. So first, you must go over there of the house. And here you said no way. Then just go, and there you have it. And the last one, and it's a crayon. Crayon is this one. So color biome. It's over here. There you go. You have it. So that's all. And thanks for watching and subscribe me and hit the bell notification. So bye bye.